the blunt.
BB likes
Record
to do
this.
it, I guess.
Okay.
So
Can you got a good angle?
Yeah.
All right, my baby has had this on his face for a minute, and today it's actually coming out like this.
Told you.
Yeah, BB
Told you.
You'll see what I mean when I say like
Here,
it
record
like
this.
squirted all over the dashboard because it just got all over Jada's hand. Like,
BB, record this. Okay. All right. Okay. I just the light. Yeah.
I'm about to cry.
BB, this is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no! Baby, be careful!
BB's like, oh my god.
It's just pus. It's just pus.
Yeah.
I almost got shot, guys. Guys! Holy fuck.
Okay, we're washing the sheets later. Okay.
We're definitely watching the sheets later.
I screamed like I was
I'm
getting
so
murdered.
sorry.
That's my shirt right here. What the fuck?
Yo, I'm so sorry.
Why?
This is about to be like.
God,
viral.
that's all you know.
Y'all plug your SoundClouds.
1 hour radio.
Okay. Holy shit. Okay. This is wild. Oh.
It's like fucking.
This is crazy.
I've never seen this.
I've never.
I can't do
Dr.
it.
Pimple
Babe. I've never.
You're about to be a new Dr. Pimple Popper, baby.
Yo, Dr. Pimple Popper, if you see this, I fucking love you. Oh my god, babe! Thank you so much for letting me record. I know. This man is a king. Huey Leone on SoundCloud.
You're funny.
Oh my god! Wow, I can't believe this is all it was in here all this time.
Oh no, don't worry, I knew.
Neither. Don't worry, I knew.
It's just crazy that a doctor couldn't do this like for free. Here I am doing it for free. This is crazy.
You have to tell Norm too.
No, I'm gonna show him. This is nuts.
Norm's gonna be like, whoa.
Holy crap.
Norm's gonna be like, I didn't know the human body did
Big
that.
hole in your face, bro.
It's not that big. It's actually just like, see, it's just the blood.
Yeah, the blood swarming.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's like once like it's going, it's going.
Yeah, for real.
It squirted all over the dashboard, though.
Yeah. Oh, did you get to see that?
No.
I cleaned it up. It was before they came out.
Damn. Yeah, he texted me. I was like, holy shit.
I think it was like
Wild.
20 minutes before you guys came out. Like 20 minutes before I had texted to ask if you were awake, I think.
Okay, at this point, now I'm going to have to be closer. Oh, wow. This is crazy as hell. It was so big, and now it's like flattened.
Yeah, like that's what I was thinking about a few seconds. Like the size difference you can tell.
I mean, it wasn't like it was too big on your face, because like BB didn't even notice it until they'd known you for a while.
Yeah.
But now that it's gone, it's like, holy crap, I can't believe that was there.
I
Are you
figured
okay?
when you were trying to lance it,
Does it
we
hurt?
just needed to get deeper.
Right. You're right?
Yeah, no, it still doesn't like hurt or anything.
No?
Like
That's great.
Yeah.
All those nerves in the face are dead right now.
Shit, hopefully.
Your body was like, "Hey, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna let this not be painful."
I hope that's the case.
Jeez, man, that's wild.
Yeah, because now that you're like down to it, it's just like the pinching feeling that I'm like that's pain.
I'm glad. Because it's looking like I'm getting it.
Last of it out?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like, I mean, there's probably a sac or something.
Yeah, like a popule in there.
Mm.
So if it comes back, then it's the doctor at this point. But, like, the most of it's gone. Like,
Oh, the most of it's gone.
that's crazy.
At least the majority of it's gone.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I mean, oh, he can stop recording now. Thank you. Damn.